Magical chef animal videos are absolutely taking social media by storm. Imagine adorable animal characters like a wise cow making desserts or a cheerful raccoon whipping up a magical feast, all with an extra sprinkle of enchantment. These videos combine cuteness, creativity, and a touch of fantasy that keeps viewers hooked. It's no surprise that these charming videos are getting a lot of views. They're a perfect mix of entertainment and relaxing vibes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral magical chef animal videos using AI tools, and it won't cost you a dime. That's right, you can get started for free and make videos that have the potential to capture the internet's attention. So if you're ready to learn how to create these viral masterpieces, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create your own enchanting animal chef videos. Now let's get started. The first step in creating these enchanting magical chef animal videos is to get a well-crafted and detailed prompt to generate our images, which we'll later animate. So we'll be leveraging the power of ChatGPT to create highly detailed and imaginative image prompts. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the specially prepared prompt that I've included in the description below. This prompt has been designed to give you the most captivating results possible. The prompt goes like this: create 5 prompts for hyper-realistic images of anthropomorphic animals, like a lion, tiger, or gorilla, each with a unique personality and cooking style dressed in chef's attire. They'll be engaged in activities like stirring a pot or grilling sausages. Set in a cozy, rustic kitchen with an enchanted stove and colorful ingredients, the scenes should feature dramatic lighting and subtle fantasy elements like glowing ingredients or floating spices, creating a captivating atmosphere. Also, add prompts to animate each of the images. This prompt will guide ChatGPT to provide you with 5 detailed imaginative image prompts that you can use as a base for your creations. If you want more prompt, you can simply ask it for 10, 15, or even more prompts depending on how long you want your video to be. Once you've pasted the prompt and clicked enter, ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting and provide you with a set of unique and detailed prompts that are perfect for generating those hyper-realistic, engaging images. With our carefully crafted prompts in hand, the next step is to generate our images. And for this, we'll be using one of the most powerful and user-friendly text-to-image AI tools called Ideogram. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. Click on the plus icon to start a new project. Tweak the settings so you can get the perfect result you want. For example, you can change the image resolution or styles. Now head back over to ChatGPT where you previously generated those unique prompts and copy the first one. Switch back to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the prompt box and hit the generate. This is where the AI tool takes over and begins processing your request, translating the detailed text into a vivid, visually striking image. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the settings you chose, this step might take a bit of time, so be patient. Trust me, the result will be worth the wait. As you can see, our image has been generated and they should look incredible, filled with personality and detail. Take a moment to go through each image. Look for the one that best matches your vision. Once you've picked the image you like, download it to your device. Now repeat this process for each of your remaining prompts to generate the rest of the images. With all of our images now ready, it's time to move on to one of the most exciting steps, which is transforming these static images into animated videos. For this, we'll be using a powerful AI tool called FreeAI. This tool specializes in converting images into dynamic video content, adding life and movement that will captivate your viewers. Open your browser and search for FreeAI.video, then create an account. If you haven't already done so, click on the generation icon. Select the image to video option and upload the first image you want to animate. Once your image is uploaded, switch back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt that corresponds to your image. This animation prompt will guide FreeAI on how to bring your image to life, specifying the movements, interactions, and special effects that will make the scene stand out. Return to FreeAI and paste the animation prompt into the designated text box. Then click Generate and let the AI work its magic. This part might take a little while, especially if you're using the free version, which tends to process at a slower pace. Once FreeAI has finished animating, it's time to preview your animated video. Watch closely to see how each element has been brought to life. The subtle movements, the enchanted kitchen ambiance, and the whimsical touches like floating spices or glowing ingredients. If you're satisfied with how it looks, download the video to your device. Now repeat this process for each of your remaining images to animate them. Now that all our animations are ready, the next step is to get background music to make our video more engaging. For this, we're turning to a reliable resource called Stream Beats, known for its wide array of free, non-copyrighted music that you can use without worry. Open your browser and search for streambeats.com. When the site loads, click on Download Track File, and you'll gain access to an extensive library of albums, each packed with high-quality, non-copyrighted music suitable for any type of video. Take your time browsing through the collection. Listen to some to find the best one for your video. Once you find a track that fits perfectly with your content, go ahead and download it to your device. The final step is editing everything together into one seamless masterpiece. For this, we'll be using a user-friendly yet powerful editing tool called CapCut. Open CapCut and start by clicking on New Project, then import all of your animated clips into the timeline. Once your clips are in place, click on aspect ratio and change it depending on the platform where you plan to upload your video. For example, 16:9 works well for YouTube, while 9:16 is ideal for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Select the appropriate aspect ratio to ensure your video looks its best on your chosen platform. Next, let's clean up the clips by removing any unwanted logos from the clips. Stretch each clip slightly until the logo is no longer visible. Don't worry, this won't affect the quality of your animation, but it will give your video a more professional and polished look. Now let's make the transitions between clips smooth and visually appealing. Click on the overlay option. Choose a transition style that fits your video's theme, and then click Apply to All to add the transition seamlessly across all clips. Next, add animations to each clip. Click on Animation and select animations you want. These subtle movements will give your video more personality and style, making it stand out even more. Import the background music you downloaded from Stream Beats. After that, add sound effects to make your video even more realistic. Click on the Sound Effects tab and choose effects that match the action in your clips. For example, include sizzling sounds for a grilling scene or bubbling noises for a pot of magical stew. If you want to take it a step further, we'll explore CapCut's video effects to add a little extra flair. Once everything is in place, watch your video from start to finish and check if you're satisfied with the result. If you are satisfied, click on Export. Set the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and save the video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments below.